Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on February 11, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 6th row and 7th row we have pair numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. In 5th grade only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 6th row we have 4. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. And 4 is confirmed here. Eighth row and 10th row we have 5. Column F also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th row and 3rd row we have 7. Column F also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 8th grade we have 2. So 2 can't come this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H and column I we have 6. 6th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B and column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J we have 7. Seventh grade also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm 9 also here. Ninth row, 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column J we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column H, column I we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column H we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H and column J we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 2nd row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 also here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column D we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Column B and column C we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C and column D we have 2. 7th row and 6th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column C we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm also 5 also here. column which only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Sixth row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 also here. Column C we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. 9 also I can confirm. Column C only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row only one number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. 3 also we can confirm here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. 6 also we can confirm. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. 6 also here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.